Hello, hello, welcome. My name is Jason Day. I'm a product designer at Atomic Robot, and today I just want to walk you through really quickly how we can build a custom calendar. Yes, calendars can seem a little bit daunting, but fret not. It's really not that bad. It's actually pretty easy, and let's walk you through it right now. This is what we're going to build today. On your left, we have our column of components, atoms and molecules, our little building blocks that make up our organism of the calendar on the right. Without further ado, let's jump into this bad boy and make a calendar. I think that sounds like a great idea. All right, so start with the basics. Take this little number here. Let's pull that out. Just put that in auto layout. We're going to call it day for right now. We can change it anytime you want. You can call it whatever you like as well. We're going to make this tap area 44 pixels. We are going to make the rounded edges 100. We're going to fill this bad boy with a color. We have some pre-selected color styles if you like to choose. We can Option Command K to make this component, duplicate that bad boy, and we're going to do a little false and true action. I'll show you why we're doing that. And I might be doing that backwards compared to what y'all do, but that's fine. It doesn't have to, we don't all have to do the same thing. Black, and we're going to make this a white word, or letter rather. All right, so now we're going to make this a quick interactive component. On tap, all that good stuff. There we go. Back there. Kaboom. And you can adjust this easing if you like, but 300 is fine for our purposes today. All right, so now we have our days, and we're just gonna go back to design and copy this and paste it. And we have 7 days in a week, so let's duplicate that. We have 2, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy peasy. Select all those, and let's just call it a week. All right, let's go ahead and make that a component. Pretty simple duple. All right, 12 pixels in between for now. And so now we want to make our month, right? So pretty easy to do. So we're going to, more duplicate, more duplication. Jeez, I can't talk. All right, so we can go ahead and put these in auto layout, and we can call it a month for now. And let's just go ahead and do 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how many weeks. Let's see. Anyway, we're gonna do. We're gonna use the same thing here and do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ha ha ha. It seems daunting, but just once you do it once, you'll have a calendar forever, and you can kind of reuse this as you need to, right? I recently found this tab trick out when I was like making this when I was practicing this tutorial, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is a humongous lifesaver. I couldn't, because I was like going in there and manually clicking everything, and I was like, there must be an easier way. And sure enough, the smart people at Figma know what they're doing. Not surprisingly, they built this incredible program. So thank you for making this easier, because this could be a major pain in the patootie. But that's okay. We have a solution, and we've done it. So kaboom! How about that? Kabam! Kaplowy! Boop boop! And we have a month. All right. So let's go ahead and do. I don't know. 12 pixels sounds good to me. What did we do here? We did 4. Well, so maybe we need to do 4. Let's just keep it consistent. Okay. All right. So what I usually do for this kind of thing is like you go in here, you make your little Boolean stuff. You could call it days. Like no. Week days maybe. I don't know. So for this one, I'm going to call it just 1. Okay, and then this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 3, and I don't think I've showed y'all why I'm doing this yet, but I think most of you probably know why. But that's it's a good thing. Consistency never hurts to remind ourselves some good old tricks of the trade. So basically, why I'm doing it is so you can just, do this kind of a thing. Now, why didn't this one work? Oh, I must not have made it correctly. Here we go. Create property. Huh. Weekdays. I don't know. Is that going to work? Is it going to work? Weekdays. There we go. And I think you can move these around. So if you wanted to put that on top, there you go. See? All right. So let's go ahead and make our header here. Pretty simple. Let's just copy our word January, our month, and then we're going to we're not going to go to Iconify and steal a chevron. Let's just go ahead and duplicate this and put these in auto layout. And just for the sake of doing this, just flip horizontally, and we're going to call it actions for now. You can name it whatever you like. But just get in the habit of naming every single thing possible. And I'm just going to call this month. No. I'm going to call it label plus actions. Actually, it should be maybe title plus actions. I guess that probably makes more sense. But and you can work with your developers to see what naming conventions work best for you. All right, so we have that, and we can go ahead and fill it with white, I guess. Why not? White's not. All right, and nope, it is not. There we go. We want to make everything we do responsive. That's pretty important. So let's go ahead and do that. See? Boom, 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 boom. There we go. That's nice. Okay. Okie dokie. All right, so let's go ahead and make our. We're not gonna make this guy. We're just the switch, the toggle, whatever you want to call it. We're just gonna make the row to show you how easy it is, and just again auto layout, and now we can say label plus control, and again, it doesn't have to be that name for what you're doing, and you can name it whatever you like. I think we're going to do 16 on this, padding top and bottom, because what we're going to do is add a stroke to the top and bottom of some kind of gray. Where are you? Gray magnet, maybe 400. That's probably a little too dark, but we'll try it out for now, and we can adjust it as we need to. So we're going to do 0, 0, boom, just top and bottom. And you'll see why we're doing that in a moment. And really quick, let's go ahead and let's grab this guy here. We're going to make a button. How do you say button? How do you say it? I say button. Some people say button. They get rid of those T's. I guess it doesn't matter. All right, button. Here we go. All right, we're going to fill this with black. That's going to be our CTA, and we'll go ahead, Option Command K, kaboom, and we can make a quick component of that. Put this in auto layout, put it to the side, and we can change this to black. There we go. If I could spell, that would help us get through this quicker, would it not? It would. And we'll do white for this. All right, and so now we have our two buttons, and we could just do again a true and a false type of thing, but it's really primary or secondary, tertiary. I guess it's more of a tertiary button, but anywho, I think that's all of our components that we need to put this bad boy together. So let's do it. What I like to do is just kind of put my components in auto layouts, and just we can call them atoms plus molecules, kaboom, and we can fill this with whatever color we want, and just give it a little breathing room. So now we have some organized components. So let's go ahead and do it. Bloop. We have bloop. There we go. And then we have. Oh, I didn't make our action bar. Maybe we should do that really quick. So we just, Put these in auto layout, and let's just call it CTA bar. Again, you can call it whatever you want. It really just depends on what you're comfortable with, what your developers want to do, and we can just hit the right button to change the. And let's just put that back in here. And, oh, I don't need auto layout for that. Okay, anyway, so now we just take this bad boy right there, and we take our little action bar right here. Whoop. Sometimes I'm just so sloppy. I know what I'm trying to do, and I just sometimes like the program just, why is it doing that? Whatever. Here we go. All right, so just select all that stuff, auto layout it up, and we'll just call it a calendar for now. Kaboom. And we're gonna do fill, and we can come in here and set these guys to fill. Let's see if it'll work. Kaboom. All right, now let's put some padding around this bad boy. 16 pixels maybe. Whoop. Not 126, 16. Okay. And we can do a little bit of rounded edges. And then we want to fill this bad boy with a nice, lovely color. And now you see the strokes there. Okay. And I think 51's a little too much. So let's try 12. And there you have it. Option Command K, you have a calendar. And let's see if this is responsive. It's not. So let's fix that and make it responsive, because you want all your stuff to be responsive. It just makes things much easier to edit in the future when you're handing stuff off to devs. And for this, we can just delete these. And then you come back in here, and then you go to 12. And you can adjust these to whatever you need. So it looks like 8 maybe, something like that. All right, and we're almost there. We're almost fully responsive. No big deal. And again, you just kind of come in here and move this to auto. And what did it? Okay, sure, whatever. All right, boom. There we go. So there you have it. We have a except this one doesn't want to. This one doesn't want to listen. I wonder how I can. Oh, I know how I can fix this. We can pull these back open, and you can trick it, right? So let's trick this into thinking it's still there, and just call it white. And so now it won't matter, because it's just gonna act as if everything's just happy-go-lucky. And there you have it. We have built a responsive calendar in a matter of minutes, people. I hope this was helpful. I would love to hear some feedback. We can, I think we made it quick. You can prototype it real quick and show you, what that looks like when you tap the numbers to the days. Anywho, hope this was helpful. Hope you learned a little something. They seem like a lot and a lot of pieces and parts and stuff. I recently downloaded another kit of somebody else's calendar, and it was kind of a little too much for me, but as far as things not being responsive, so I decided there's got to be an easier way. This might not be the easiest way, but I hope it helps you, and hope you have an opportunity to catch us on the next tutorial. And I'd love to hear if y'all have any ideas on what you want to learn. I will try and shoot for the stars on that. All right, y'all. Have a good one. I'll catch you later. Peace.